The topic for this video is getting a saw. You're going to need something that cuts. You know, before I got a saw, I tried to use my pocket knife, and boy, that just wouldn't cut it. No pun intended. But when you look online, a handsaw, I didn't realize there's over a dozen different kinds of hand saws. The first saw I got was a coping saw. That's the one that looks like a letter C with a scrawny little blade that goes through, and it's good for cutting corners and things like that. Didn't work for me because this is awful, but where I keep my tools is just one of the cabinets. And just throwing that coping saw in there, and I'm not very organized, so just throwing the coping saw in there. A couple of times I've cut myself looking for something else on that coping saw because I don't like to take it apart and put it together because I lose the blade. And I've also broken 3 blades because using a coping saw, you have to cut, how do I put this? You have to have your pressure in the same direction as you cut. And if you cut kind of at an angle to where the blade is, the blade breaks. So that's not good. So I decided to get something else, and this is what I got on Amazon. Thought it was a good deal. The TPI means teeth per inch. 7 is pretty good. It's a little rough cutter, but it does pretty good. Well, if I had to change anything, I probably wouldn't get the 11-inch. I'd go down to, I think, the smaller size. This is one instance where, you know, bigger isn't always better. Haha. So, and the other reason I got this is because it folds. That way, when I throw it in my cabinet, it's not going to cut me when I'm looking for something else in there. And I've cut some wood that I needed for bracing my bed that's starting to cave in a little bit. And the wood is the wood you see up there. So what is it, 1x1? It took me about 20 seconds to cut through the thing, so it worked really well. And it's not expensive. It folds. I'm sure there are those of you out there who are carpenters who'd be like, oh, you got the wrong thing. If so, please put it into comments and let me know, because I'm not a carpenter. I am so used to electric saws that, you know, just like a bandsaw, I cut through it or just in seconds. So a handsaw is something different that I'm not used to. But this one, I think it's a good one. I think it'll take care of a lot of things, like when you go camping and you want to cut some firewood, or you got some repair work where you're going to have to cut some wood. It might take a little bit of time, but it seems to do well. And the only difference, if I had to do it again, would be I think I'd get the smaller size. 11-inch, a little bit too big for me. All right. So once again, thanks a lot for following my channel, and those of you who are signed up for a subscription, thanks. And you know, I only need to get like 950 more before I start getting monetized. So, you know, I'm almost there. So thanks for watching, and I'll keep posting as long as you keep watching. Thanks. Bye.